Welcome to my YouTube channel Axle AutoZone, and today I'm standing in front of something that doesn't just enter the room, it takes over the entire atmosphere. This is the Toyota Ghost Recon 6X6. And trust me, this isn't just a truck. It's a rolling fortress built for people who believe normal roads are boring. The moment you look at this beast, you feel it. 6 massive wheels, a wide military stance, and that aggressive matte green body that looks like it just rolled out of a classified mission. From the very first glance at the front, the Ghost Recon 6X6 demands respect. The bold Toyota lettering across the grille is unapologetic. The grille itself is tall, squared, and intimidating, flanked by sharp, modern LED headlamps that give it a predator-like stare. The heavy-duty steel bumper looks like it could push through barriers without even flinching. Tow hooks in bold contrast colors add to that rugged character, while the skid plate underneath reminds you that this machine isn't scared of rocks, sand, or anything the wild throws at it. Move to the side profile, and that's where the magic of the 6A6 configuration truly hits you. 3 axles, 6 massive off-road tires, wide fender flares wrapping around those aggressive wheels. The matte green military-style body, paired with bold accent stripes, gives it that tactical command vehicle vibe. It doesn't look like it belongs in city traffic, it looks like it belongs in deserts, snowy mountain passes, and dense jungle trails where maps stop working. The body structure is long, armored in appearance, and extremely purposeful. You can see the high ground clearance, the reinforced side steps, the roof rack ready for Overland gear, and the elevated stance that screams capability. This isn't about style alone. Every inch of this truck looks engineered for endurance. Now let's talk about the rear. From the back, the Toyota Ghost Recon 6X6 looks like a mobile base unit. The full-size spare wheel mounted at the rear tells you this vehicle is ready for long expeditions where help isn't just around the corner. The vertical tail lamps add a modern touch, while the reinforced rear bumper continues that tough, unstoppable design language. It looks balanced, heavy, planted, like it was designed to carry not just passengers but missions. But here's where things get even more exciting. Under that muscular hood lives Toyota power, and when we talk about Toyota power, we're talking reliability, torque, and the kind of engineering that survives the harshest climates on Earth. The 6-wheel drive system distributes power across all 3 axles, giving this titan insane traction. In desert dunes, it floats with confidence. In snowy mountains, those 6 wheels grip like claws digging into ice. In dense jungles, muddy trails become just another playground. The beauty of a 6.6 system is stability. With 3 axles working together, weight distribution improves dramatically. That means better control when climbing steep inclines, crossing uneven terrain, or hauling heavy expedition gear. This truck doesn't just perform, it dominates extreme environments. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Ghost Recon 6X6 surprises you. You might expect a purely rugged military interior, but instead, you're welcomed into a space that blends toughness with premium comfort. The dashboard feels like a command center. Everything is angled toward the driver, giving you that cockpit-like control. The steering wheel feels thick and powerful in your hands. The instrument cluster is modern, clean, and easy to read, even when you're bouncing across rough terrain. The infotainment display sits confidently in the center, offering navigation, vehicle data, and connectivity features that keep you in control even when you're miles away from civilization. Premium leather seats add a luxurious touch to this tactical machine. They're wide, supportive, and built for long-distance travel. Whether you're crossing a desert highway or navigating mountain passes, the seating comfort ensures fatigue stays minimal. But now we get to one of the most unique features of this vehicle, the second-row transforming system. This isn't just a regular rear cabin. Toyota Ghost Recon 6.6 offers a smart multi-purpose interior design. During the day, you have premium leather seating in the back for passengers, spacious, comfortable, and refined. Perfect for long road trips or expedition teams traveling together. But here's the twist. Activate the optional conversion mode, and the rear seats can fold and adjust seamlessly, transforming into a full-sized, comfortable sleeping bed. Imagine driving deep into the wilderness, parking under the stars, and within minutes converting your cabin into a cozy resting space. No tents, no external setup, just pure convenience and smart engineering. This dual-purpose design makes the Ghost Recon 6X6 not just a truck, but a mobile adventure suite. You can travel in comfort and rest in luxury, all within the same vehicle. It's perfect for overlanders, explorers, and those who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Now let's talk about the driving experience. You might think a vehicle this big would feel overwhelming behind the wheel, but surprisingly, it feels controlled. The elevated seating position gives you a commanding view of the road or the trail. You sit high, you see everything, and you feel in charge. Despite its size, the steering is surprisingly composed. The multi-axle system keeps the truck stable even on uneven surfaces. When you accelerate, you feel that deep Toyota engine power pushing this giant forward with confidence. It's not about speed, it's about unstoppable momentum. On highways, it cruises smoothly. Off-road, it becomes a beast. The suspension absorbs harsh terrain, minimizing cabin vibration. Even when climbing rocky paths or crossing sand dunes, the truck feels planted and secure. And the sound, that deep engine note combined with the rugged tire presence gives you that sense of authority. People don't just notice this truck, they move out of its way. What I love most about the Toyota Ghost Recon 6X6 is how it balances aggression with intelligence. It looks like a military transport vehicle, but inside, it treats you like a VIP traveler. It performs like an off-road monster, but it gives you the convenience of a luxury expedition cabin. This is not a truck for everyone. It's for those who think bigger, for adventurers who want to explore deserts, conquer snowy mountain passes, and cut through jungle trails without worrying about what lies ahead. It's for people who see roads as optional. The Toyota Ghost Recon 6.6 is the ultimate overland fortress. It's bold, it's capable, it's luxurious, and above all, it's built with Toyota reliability at its core. 6 wheels, endless possibilities, and a transforming interior that turns adventure into comfort. If you're someone who dreams of going beyond the map, this machine isn't just transportation, it's your mobile base camp, your command center, your safe haven in the wild. And that's what makes this beast truly unforgettable.